Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 88 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Pretty nice old truck. Pretty clean, not much rust. I got one little bubble I'll show you. Otherwise nice and clean. Got some, this is probably the worst part, original molding, window molding there. Power seats, power windows, power locks, air conditioning. They added a Kenwood CD player. Interior is very nice, not really any issues whatsoever. I know the power lock actuators, a couple of them don't work. Here they got a little fading on this door. Obviously you can see some paint there. Just had some, this, you can see a paint line here and here up on this molding. I don't know if the whole truck's been painted. They did a pretty decent job with that. Pretty nice spray. That looks like another strip there. Let's see, the one that's the only really spot of rust I found. One little bubble down there probably came from a rock chip. There, you know, you got a few little chips out of the wood grain. But pretty nice shape, especially for the money we want out of it. Nice, affordable. Interior, like I said, excellent shape. Does show 191 on it, which for an 88, that's so pretty cool Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Nice driver quality truck. Had a bunch of stuff spent on it, so mechanically ready to run down the road. 605-695-7391.